Eating mangosteen and planting the seeds. This will be another video series because we don't have any planting mangosteen seeds that I remember. I remember I planted them. I don't know that I videoed it. Yeah, we gotta cut these open.
Look who's here. Look who's here.
Hello.
Company.
Hello.
Company.
Oh, we just open this up.
Give mommy kiss.
Open this up.
Give mommy kiss.
Hello.
Hi, gorgeous.
Want mangosteen? Hello. Hello.
Want half? No?
Hello. Okay, you open this up. Then we pull this out. Oh, oh my goodness, almost it went everywhere.
Come, step up, see mommy. Step up. Good job.
Mmm,
Give mommy kiss.
so sweet.
Mommy kiss. Give mommy kiss.
Usually you find 2 seeds in each mangosteen.
Want papaya?
Mmm,
Hello.
it's heavenly.
Nice your mama? What? 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 Nice your
So we're
mama?
going to collect the seeds, start some new plants. 40 years later, we'll be eating the fruit. The grandchildren will be eating fruit.
48 years. Years?
Mm-hmm. Unless we graft them.
Coffee for clenches, yeah? I love you. Yeah, I do. Mommy love you.
So this is what's the seed that's left.
Come here, come here.
So we'll pull the other guy out here.
I love you.
Pull that seed out. So delicious.
Want to kiss Auntie?
Mm.
Kisses?